Hi, I'm Annetta Gardner. I'm in the Iowa chapter of the 99s. I'm also the vice president for the organization. And the 99s started almost 100 years ago. We'll have our centennial celebration in 2029. Amelia Earhart started it. And it's been an organization to support women in their quest for aviation and to get involved in the industry or just for general aviation flying. They also have scholarships. So we have scholarships for women who, all the way from their first pilot's award certificate to their type rating to fly for the airlines. So it's a great mission in terms of supporting women at all levels of aviation, from the time they're just learning to the time that they're professionally flying for airlines, corporate. If you'd like to learn more about the 99s, you can go to www.90nines, spelled out with a hyphen, 90-nines.org.
Dream of becoming a pilot one day but don't know where to start? How to Become a Pilot is your ultimate guide. This book breaks down everything you need, from private pilot to airline transport pilot, covering what training you need, how much it costs, and most importantly, how to save money along the way. I'm Bob Cam, one of the instructors at AV8 Prep, and as a flight instructor, I know just how overwhelming this process may seem. But with the right knowledge, you can do it and save money. Just remember, the more you learn before your lessons, the easier the training will be. Take control of your aviation dream today. How to Become a Pilot will show you how. Enter your email, and AV8 Prep will send you a free copy.